2862, San Francisco Tower, one left line of plane.
One left line of plane, American 2862. Go 5614 ground, looks like the gate's occupied. Taxi via Bravo, hold short of Foxtrot 1. Horizon 2083, monitor tower, take care. Monitor tower has 2883. Bravo, Golf, Alpha, Alpha, hold short of Foxtrot. Objective 564, San Francisco Grand, good evening, runway 1 right, taxi Charlie Zulu, hold short of Bravo 1.
Thank you for takeoff. 2083, San Francisco Tower, one right, line of plane.
One right, line of waiter, that's 2083.
American 2862, you could delete the 5000, find me a sit.
Delete 5000, find me a sit, 2862.
American 2862, contact. Horizon 2083, contact NorCal.
2083, getting.
908, 100 arrival.
1767 from New York. Delta.
Rogers, medevac, resmet 2. Cadet 71 with Charlie from Bravo, 7 ready to push. Alaska 971, San Francisco ground, push onto Yankee. Push onto Yankee, Alaska 971.
2669 traffic.
Alaska 971. It's not the worst time for Seattle, but it's certainly not the best. Wheels up's going to be at 31 for you. Wheels up at 31, Alaska 971. Sub 679, heavy San Francisco ground, taxi Bravo, Hotel Alpha to the gate. Bravo, Hotel.
Moxie 613, contact NorCal.
Guys, double landing, Southwest United. Whoa.
Jet share 830, use caution for that helicopter, you might be able to see them there. .566 San Francisco. Alaska 971, monitor tower, take care. Monitor tower, really appreciate it. 971, yeah, you got it.
United 288, San Francisco Tower, need to right for the land with 27019er.
Last 28 right, Copa.
Guys, Air France, Airbus A350 from Paris.
Charlie, just 33 Tango for me once you're on Bravo.
971, runway 1 right, line up and wait, have a landing west, it'll still be a couple more minutes.
Runway 1 right, line up and wait, last 1071, copy.
Close up time isn't until 01 past the hour.
Yeah, just Bravo 101 to the right.
Yay, beautiful.
28, have a 2.5 hours.
Ground Delta Charlie 3, ready to go to 541.
As we proceed, Alpha Juliet Bravo, Zulu and Charlie.
Alpha Juliet Bravo, Zulu Charlie, Delta Charlie 3.
Grass got 7460, ready to taxi Charlie. And that was Car 7460, ready to go? Hey, sir. Car 7460, on one last taxi via giveaway to United Airbus, and then Alpha Hotel Bravo. Giveaway to United, one last.
Taxi.
5460 sounds like good. 3460, runway 1 left, line up and wait.
Live boy, one last cut. And then you can proceed Alpha, Golf, hold it short, runway 1 left, you can plan to hold on Lima.
Okay, Alpha Golf, short 1 left, Alaska 153, and that's the United Express right here, right?
Affirmative, yeah, you're clear to go now.
Down United 2646, Echo 9, Charlie, push.
That's 46 San Francisco ground. Push spot 6 Alpha, your discretion.
6 Alpha, our discretion, United 20.
Well, that's 534, you can bet head, see if neither, runway 1 left, line up and wait, traffic landing west, traffic off the parallel, turn away.
1 left, line up and away to Alaska, 534.
2 spot 6 Bravo is your discretion.
Push 2, spot 6 Bravo, United 1878.
Guys, Lufthansa!
5539, San Francisco ground, taxi via Bravo, Kilo Alpha to the ramp.
Bravo, Kilo Alpha, ramp,
That's 688, San Francisco ground, runway 1 left, we'll short of Alpha, I'll try to work you on some pushes here.
90, traffic approaching at 2 mile final, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff. Then 506 heavy, runway 28 left, settle in, traffic holding runways 1.
United 506 Heavy, we're clear to land 28 left.
That is correct, United 506 heavy, runway 28 left, settle in, traffic holding runways 1.
Clear land 28 left, United 506 Heavy. At Alaska 153, you want short of the runway on Lima or short of Lima?
That's 153, just hold short of Lima 2.
Okay, show 1 Bravo.
1 left, Alpha Fox 1 Bravo, United 320.
That is 2866, runway 28 right, settle in, traffic holding runways 1.
Bravo, behind the United Airbus for Delta 1521.
1721, wheels up time is until 10 past the hour. So make the left turn at Mike 1 once you're on Bravo, and you can wait the rest of your time there.
I'm sorry, so you said right turn on Mike and hold there?
No, the center on 73 on the alley to the right.
Alright, Alpha 1, giving away to 73 on the right, United 287.
Lufthansa 458 Heavy, Central Ground, taxi via Bravo, Saran.
San Francisco Tower, cautionary turbulence, heavy ahead, runway 28 left, clear to land, traffic holding runways 1.
Whoa, Boeing 777 United from Rome.
Ground up 27 to US Delta. Set to 2762, hold there just a moment, restore 94.
Yay, awesome.
5087 traffic approaching a 2-mile final, I know this high day, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff. That's 534, contact NorCal.
Airbus A320 from Detroit.
Alpha Foxtrot 1 Bravo. Alpha Foxtrot Bravo 1 West. That is Delta 14, pushing a 6 Bravo. Turkish 9er Whiskey, Charlie Heavy after this United 73 ahead to your left. Runway 28 left, taxi via Alpha, Hotel, hold short runway 1 left.
Up to United on our left side 73, runway 28 left, taxi Alpha, Hotel, hold short 1 left.
2866, you called there, hold short of 28 left, that was not for you.
Alright, holding short 28 left, plane.
1658, have a 2 out, cross 28 left without delay.
Yeah. Taxi Alpha 7680.
And United 2305, give way to that Embraer Echo.
You and the Embraer Echo, United 2305.
United 794, give way to the traffic at Delta. United 1658, taxi via Alpha, use the 6 Alpha line in.
Alpha, Roger that, you can hold spot 9 over Delta.
United 2070, push on the Alpha group.
Push on the Alpha is approved, United 2070. United 7. Right and left approach corridor.
Boeing 787
Foxtrot 1 Bravo.
Dreamliner from New York.
Alpha, Foxtrot 1 Bravo.
United.
Reference 4173, straight back. Ground 962.
Right, Sweet Yankee, descend and maintain 1,500 for traffic.
1,500 to Yankee. Got a 2866 San Francisco ground taxi via Alpha, use the 6 Alpha line.
Alpha and 6 Bravo.
San Francisco ground, hold push.
Yes, Boeing 777 from Spain, Barcelona.
Niner, Whiskey Charlie, cross runway 1 right, continue via Lima Foxtrot.
Cross runway, continue Lima Foxtrot,
Alright, Sweet Yankee, traffic about 7 to the northwest, southbound is a Cessna 2000, or so you restricted above you.
We'll keep an eye out for the traffic.
1 left, continue, Echo and Charlie. Cross, 1 right, 1 left. Echo and Charlie, American Bravo. American Tug 1, San Francisco ground, give way to aircraft, Charlie, Zulu Bravo and Alpha.
Yeah, aircraft, American Tug 1, take it there.
Delta 396, you got a wheels up of 5-4. Skywest 5894, San Francisco ground, taxi via Alpha.
Well, I already kind of got spoiled. Did you on like, dude, there was like a complex interview and like when I get
Was that a lot for Bravo 9? Delta 5, push back on Alpha, tail south. .2681 heavy, hold short, runway 28 left.
Holding short, 28 left, United 2681 heavy.
426, San Francisco Tower, traffic landing west, runway 1 left, line of wait.
1 left, line of wait, up at 426.
Ground code 3252, ready to taxi Echo.
This one is not as windy.
1132.
France A81 heavy, runway 28 left, Alpha Hotel, hold short of 1 left.
Alpha Hotel, hold short, 28 left, Air France 08180.
France 081 heavy negative, hold short of runway 01 left.
Sorry, hold